Hi, I'm Joel, and this is our manual drum to power front disc brake conversion kit for 1957 to 68 full-size Fords. It's our part number FC0025-8307X, and it fits cars like the Galaxy, Fairlane, and Country Squire. This kit includes everything needed to install cross-drilled and slotted disc brakes to the original drum brake spindles currently on your car. Let's check out what's included. We supply you with the installation instructions, as well as a cast iron dual bowl master cylinder and an 8-inch dual diaphragm power booster. We also include the adjustable combination valve, which allows you to fine-tune the amount of brake pressure at the rear brakes. And for cars needing a pressure switch to activate the taillights, this valve has one built in. At the spindles, this kit uses our Max Grip XTS rotors, as well as 4-piston calipers, which are zinc-plated and have stainless steel pistons. You'll also receive all the mounting brackets, hardware, and brake lines needed to complete the install. And if you're looking for a little something extra, we've got red and black powder-coated caliper upgrades available. We also offer kits for Y-block equipped cars, and that part number is FC0025-Y307X. You can also find the full list of application and fitment notes on our site. Want to share photos and videos of your ride? Like and follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Lead Brakes, and be sure to use hashtag for the wide pedal.